Hey everyone, let me tell you, now is the perfect time to make money online. It's absolutely incredible how easy it is, especially with the help of AI. I've been in the online game since the 90s, and I've never seen anything like this. Just last night, I made $2,000 with a simple side hustle, and in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to start making money online too. The best part: you don't need a website, and this is perfect for beginners. First, we'll need a few tools to make this work. ChatGPT for prompts and idea generation, InVideo AI, a tool for creating videos, link in the description. ClickBank, where we'll find products to promote and earn commissions. Let's start by logging into ClickBank and signing up if you're new. Once inside, go to the marketplace, where you'll find products to promote. For example, if you promote a product listed for $146, you'll get a unique affiliate link to earn commissions. There are countless categories, from education to health, gardening, and more. There's something for everyone. Next, head over to ChatGPT and explore its prompt generator. This tool helps you come up with ideas for your content. Alternatively, you can use InVideo AI's prompt generator, which is designed to create scripts for engaging video content. Now, let's create a video using InVideo AI. For example, you could create a short, funny video about babies eating or cute animals, as these tend to go viral on TikTok. Once you've selected a theme, generate your video, add any necessary edits, and save it. It's a simple process, and you'll be ready to upload in no time. Here's the key: consistency. Upload 10 to 20 videos over a week or so to build your profile. Viral content, especially on TikTok, can rack up millions of views, driving traffic to your profile. To monetize this traffic, use Linktree to create a custom link that connects viewers to products you're promoting. For example, if your TikTok videos focus on baby-related content, you could promote a ClickBank product like Baby Sleep Miracle, earning $27 per sale. Simply copy the affiliate link, create a custom link in Linktree, and add it to your TikTok profile. When viewers click your profile after enjoying your videos, they'll see the link, potentially leading to sales and commissions. It's that simple to set up and start earning. Here's a quick recap. Use ChatGPT to generate prompts. Create engaging videos with InVideo AI. Upload the videos to TikTok consistently. Use ClickBank and Linktree to promote relevant products. With this method, you can tap into the power of AI and TikTok's massive audience to create a reliable income stream. Start small, scale up, and watch the results roll in. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.